This is Mixlaw Production.
27, yes, Jamal. 91, streetwear. Skrilla. Here we go.
Tayo ang naging daan para maisakatuparan ang mga pangarap na dati panaginip lamang natin. Nahihirapan gumawa ng hakbang sa makipot na daan, napakaraming hadlang. Ngunit sadyang napakabait ng Ama at ako'y inilapit sa mga makukulit ngunit napakalulupit na kapatiran na wala na yatang ihigit. Di ko kayo mababayan, pero kayo'y handugan. Aawitan ng pasalamatan man lang sa pamagitan ng obra na aking kinalakihan. Salamat kay Gab Malupit at Gibbs na siyang nagtawid. Sino na po na magkapatid? Jack Luby di mapapatid.
Taong 2011 nagsimula akong sumulat. Kulang pa sa diskarte, sablit pa sa pag-uulat. Taong 2012 sinubukan kong iunat. Lima ko tong doble, tinutukan at binuhat. Libangan ko't pangarap, nakita ko't nahanap.
187 SG Mop.
Sa akin ay yumakap, guro kong kinabilangan. Tinuring kong pamilya, natutulungan, nagdadamayan sa lungkot at ligaya. Akostiko, salamat, ikaw ang naging tulay.
Sir Gibbs.
Salamat sa pagtanggap at pag-akay. Salamat sa mga payo at gabay.
SG Mops.
Salamat mga kapatid kong tunay. Kasama ng muli, sabay-sabay tumugma. Sa pagtama ng mali, sabay-sabay lumagda. Positibong pananaw sa panahong tinakda. Solidong paggalaw, haharap sa madla.
Isang malawak at matibay ang ugat ng samahan. Pasalamatan natin ang lumikha ng pinagmulan na magkakapatid kahit san maniatid. Na mga pangarap dahilan ng matuwid na pananaw, isigaw ang ating pagtanaw ng pasasalamat basta wag ka lamang bibitaw. Sa pagkapit at sasapit din ang tamang panahon na makakamit mga hiling. Di pa man ngayon ang pagkakataon, sabay-sabay nating lambatin. Kung merong umalis ay tsak na merong darating sa ating samahan na mas lalo pang pinatibay. 187 SG Mob sa hip-hop, dala ay kulay. Iba-iba ng isip ngunit iisa ang boses. Salamat sa mga kapatid ko na ilang beses mang daanan ng bagyo na nanatiling matatag. Walang iwanan, kasama mo ko sa paglalayag.
SG Mobs, yan ang kasama ko sa kalokohan. Hindi ka niyan iiwan at hindi pababayaan. Kudado ka nila, wala sa iyong mga api. Hindi ka din yan iiwan kahit wala kang salapi. Kasama mo sabay-sabay inuman na kayo. Pag may dumaan nakakilala para shot naman kayo. Salamat SG Mobs dahil nandiyan kayo. Hindi nyo ko iniiwanan kahit nalubog ako. Sabay-sabay na aangat pangako ko yan sa inyo. Hindi ko kayo bibiguin kahit pangarap ko din yun. Ang makilala ng lahat, di ko kayo malilimutan. Dahil nung lubog ako, hindi nyo ko pinabayaan. Salamat Noti G at Side B, kayong naging gabay sa yapak ni Sir Gibbs at Boss G. Walang humpay, pantay-pantay, dibibigay kaming hangin na mahuhusay sa larangan ng mga tunay na nabubuhay.
Ain't get down, I'm back with the mob, it's my time to show my love. Feels good to be back on track, I fell down but I'm full of love. I look back to the memories and I get to reminisce. I throw away my pride and come back with my family. They took me back with an open arms and open heart. This is the remedy. From bad times to good times, we stand up as one. We thank the highness from Boss G to Sir Gibbs. Google around with Naughty Dogs, laugh around with 1-2. Chill around with Clyde and Zeus, dropping bars together while everyone is watching. We ain't doing this for nothing, this one's for the music thing. We love what we're doing, proud of what I'm rapping. Grateful to be 187, thankful to be part of it. Brah! We're doing this for hip-hop, no backing out. Just drop the verse and speak the rhyme together whenever we're doing this craft. No backing out, just drop the verse and speak the rap together whenever we're doing this craft.
Mic check, 1 2 1 2.
I be ripping on the mic, then I pass it to my crew.
Might be on some fly-ish, so don't be
Surprised when God pull out on something fly. Cause he be wearing a chain with our face on it. Surrounded, flow like butter, who you kidding dog? We run through your whole crew like cancer. You ain't got an ass with a big man predator. Still we maintain and never slipping. If we ever did, we come back with a mean flow around it. A dream come true, thought I hit the lotto twice. Overwhelmed mind when they gave me the mic. Count the pain, how I even made it here. Naj got the hook up, sir, you paved the way. I got mad love for all of y'all that come and save my grace. Like a roast that grew under the concrete. A warm round of applause for the geniuses that made it possible. That made a dream a reality and not improbable. To all the people I salute and respect, they gave me the opportunity to never neglect. The blessings I have is for you, I'm bringing it back to God. And for my whole damn crew, without y'all I'm nothing. Like chaos, that nothing turned to something. This is for the game, going insane, gotta maintain 187 mobbing and we get it into your brain. Kicking and stabbing exposures when they come around. Nah, I just be chilling in the back with my old school sound. Nevertheless, gotta confess, I'ma be dressed to impress. And God is my witness, I'm glad to be blessed to be stressed. 187 is G forever, 1 to 12, there's no one else. 187 is G forever, 1 to 12,
I got a passion for an oversized shirt. Spilling one became passion for dirt that runs revert. Was 2 in the first one, touch this cause my folks stats. Stop believing I'm poetically alert. Hit the dirt, hurt my feeling when I was 3 till 10 age. Oh, believing in me. Runs ability, hit and hit me till my eyes bleed. Was opportunity, dreams became reality today. Then my word turns word from sky, keep dropping. Million and million rhymes popping and popping. I'm pushing forward to 12, ain't stopping. Intention to change the rap world started in the third inning. It's 99 and 1 and I'm in line with the straight kid, directed line. And I'm a military mind of mine who keeps in mind the time. Settling all my rhymes inclined define how I beat the grind the time.
This is Mixlaw Production.